Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how to draw BTS V. Today, if you are a BTS fan, then you know that today is 21 May and today BTS released their Butter MV, their second single in English. After Dynamite, this is the second song they did in English, and I really love it. I It's so much beautiful song. It's so good. I really love that song. It's amazing. The Butter song is amazing. I I really want to tell you that if you are not a BTS fan, then you can also hear it. Just to give it a try. Maybe you will like it, maybe you will not. But what thing that can be wrong if you give it a try? It's just a song. So if you are not a BTS fan and never heard of Butter MV of BTS, then I really highly recommend you to go and hear it and watch it, because it's a MV, it's a music video, so you can also watch it on YouTube. And I'm really happy that I'm joining BTS V, and today I'm just doing it. I'm gonna upload it. It's amazing. And you guys know that this teaser photo of V from Butter, I really loved it, and I really love their all the pics every time, their songs. It's amazing, and I really I'm gonna really suggest you to listen this music. Maybe you like it, maybe you can find peace on in their songs, and it will be so much meaningful for you, like just the same way the meanings are for us. I'm so happy that I'm gonna upload it today, and I'm doing it today. So happy for it. When I heard it first time today in the morning, Butter MV, the Butter song, I really love it. Like it was like boom, it was like a butter, so flawless, so amazing, so catchy lyrics, so catchy music, so catchy sound. It's amazing. Like everyone was looking good, everyone's looking fine, everyone's looking dashing, handsome. They're all handsome men. Like they're so handsome. I know. If you hate videos, then maybe you're gonna mute my voice for this video. But in this video, I'm not gonna talk about drawing. I'm just talking about BTS. I'm sorry, guys. That was my brother. He just did boom to scare me, but it didn't work. And he saw that I was reading, I'm recording, so he just did that sound. He's so fun. Let me know by your comment that from when you are a BTS fan, from when you are a K-pop fan. If you are not even BTS fan, then are you a K-pop fan? Just let me know anything about it. Like I'm a K-pop fan, so I have interest in K-pop and BTS. So if you are, please let me know by your comment, and please if you love my videos, then don't forget to hit the like button. Please do like, subscribe, share, and please don't forget to comment. If you want to visit my Instagram, and then you can. I have left the Instagram link in my description box. You can find the link there, and you can also visit my Instagram for more art. Of course, you will find some BTS pics and also other drawings. I do everything. Like you can just always drawing BTS. You have to practice other things, other facial expression, other varieties subjects, so that's why you can see other thing too. I really love this photo of BTSB. I really love this. That's why I chose it to do a watercolor painting. For me, that I'm thinking that it's really looking good, though it's not finished yet. But after the finishing it, you will know that it's looking good. It's looking fine. It's not that bad. For the hair, now I'm using Marciana color. For the skin color, I used a mixture of lemon yellow color and scarlet lake color. I have mixed it because my yellow ochre color is almost finished, so I can't use that. That's why I mixed this both color, yellow ochre and scarlet lake, for the skin color. For the hair and eyebrows, I'm directly using burnt sienna. It's a brown color. You can make any kind of color that you want by watercolor paint, or maybe any kind of painting. I'm not sure because I have never used any kind of, like, except oil pastel, watercolor painting, and pencil colors. Except this, I didn't use anything till now, like no acrylic, no gauze gau gauze gouache. I really don't know how to pronounce it, but I feel you understand what I'm trying to say. That color, it was kind of watercolor. Maybe I don't know a lot of about this color. That's why I'm more comfortable with watercolor. That's why I use uh, watercolor painting almost every time. Now I'm focusing on my watercolor painting and sketches on this both. I'm focusing because I wanna be good on these topics. You can also dry your painting with the hair dryer. I use a hair dryer because it takes a lot of time to dry it properly, but because of hair dryer you can dry it more easily, more fast. That's why I use always hair dryer. If I don't have enough time but I have to do it, that's why I use hair dryer to dry my paintings. Now I'm using a black gel pen for the outline. Now I'm using a golden gel pen because it's a chain, so I thought let's use the golden color gel pen. It will look more good. That's why I didn't use the black gel pen for the outline of the chain. I mean for the chain. It's almost done. Now I'll do the highlighting with the white fluid. It's looking beautiful. Yeah, I'm praising myself. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.